Are those all your plans for the day? Can you say bye-bye now? That was bye-bye, love you. He just loves to try and grab onto that middle part. Yeah.
At my heaviest, I was 239. I gained weight.
There he is. There he is. Hi. How do you like being up here? You feeling like a big boy? A little wobbly, huh? Here's Asher reading. Yeah, grab those pages, huh? Can you grab that? It's hard for me to, Look it! That's the crazy animal that likes to drink ink and turns pink. Oh, bless. Bless the baby. Bless the baby. Bless the baby. Yeah, good job. Good job. Do you have the massage toy? Hmm? Oh, get that. Get that. You got it. You got it. Are you trying to read it? What's that one? Oh, that's the wet pet. That's the wet pet. The pet who gets wet. Woo! Woo! Grab that. And we're gonna turn it off. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. Look at that crazy toy, huh? Let's turn it off. Oh. What happened? Turn it on. Usually he cries when I turn it off, but he must be in a good mood this morning, which is better.